Maria Pia Concepcion Neva Arcangel Halili, born December 8, 1978, is a Filipino television news presenter and journalist. Arcangel started as a courtside reporter for the UAAP basketball games aired over Studio 23, now ABS-CBN Sports and Action, and in Metropolitan Basketball Association (MBA). In 2003, she became one of the hosts of the morning show Unang Hirit of GMA Network. She also hosted the children's show Arcangel with Tonopet Gaba and Crystal Reyes, where she, along with his co-hosts, won awards during the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd PMPC Star Awards for television as Best Children's Show Hosts. She is currently a co-anchor of 24 Horas Weekend and Soxy. Personal life: Arcangel is the daughter of Clotilde Neva Arcangel, Dean of the UST College of Education. Thousand Vlogs was a student of Dean Arcangel at UST. She finished high school at Assumption College San Lorenzo and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Communication Arts from the Ateneo de Manila University in 2000. Arcangel has been married to sportscaster Miko Halili since 2003. She has one child, a daughter named Mickey. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.